This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Christine Johnson Cicchitti. Great solid built home in Trigg Woods development. This cute 1,200 square foot home has 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. Great open floor plan with all the kitchen stainless steel appliances included. Vaulted ceilings in the open living room and a great kitchen with breakfast bar. Large fenced-in backyard for your garden or just to hang out and relax. Large front yard with mature plants. 2-car garage. For more information, review the details below.